Welcome, everyone. It's my pleasure to introduce a new product in the market, LGA Search. What is that? What is search is all about? I know all of you use Google every day. Google provides universal search where you can search for anything just typing in the key term and it goes and searches universally in any server anywhere in the world using the indexes that it has created. Now, let's turn around and look at what's there in your enterprise and assume you have a tool to search your enterprise. What's there in my enterprise? I don't know. Let me think about it. You may say, first, you have emails that you use to correspond with your colleagues internally and also with your vendors and customers externally. You may want to search that. Or you have digital documents that are there in the network share. So you may have signed up a contract that you want to search, or there may be an article that you have saved that you want to search, or it could be your patent. Now, third, it could be a search against your databases. You may have a SQL Server database, your accounting system, your ERP. So searching these digital assets can be critical. Now, what is the challenge? These assets are there everywhere, which means in the when you think about database, it can be in a SQL Server database or a MySQL database, Oracle database. Challenge today is you don't have a single place to search. If you want to search something in a SQL Server, you may have to use the corresponding vendor provided interface, or you can use say SQL Server Management Studio and go and search against your databases using SQL queries. Whereas if you want to search something from one console, there is no easier option. Similarly, for email, I know generally people use their Outlook client or any other web client to search their emails. If you have to search your email as well as your database and your files from the same console, enterprise search, that is the LGA search, provides that. Let's take a step back and log in and see what's there. So in this case, I'm using a login here. So once you log into this LGA search, it shows you a dashboard that provides different results in terms of like who has searched what and details. I'm going to move my picture a little bit so you can go and search for something in your database. Let's say, let's discover something. So I can go and say, John. So now it goes and pulls information from the files, from the email, from the databases. And the interesting thing here that you may observe is it shows everything, the results from a single console. So that's kind of neat. And when you click on it, it opens up and pulls the corresponding results. Similarly, it could be, this particular John is there not on the file name. In this case, it's on the file name, but it can be in the content also. It will pull up. And for example, water manual. There is no John there, but the John as a text, it's there inside the manual. So it pulls up and you can easily click on it and it will open up and you can see the details. It's pretty easy and user friendly. And also sometimes you may get results that don't want to see. Oh, I was searching for John in the water manual, not necessarily my gospel John. So you could say, hey, I don't want to see this at this point of time, so exclude the title. Boom, it's gone. So you could include or exclude titles, and you can also save. For example, I wanted that Bible. Let me go and bring it back. So I can go to the filter and I can pick and choose the one that I have removed. In this case, I brought it back successfully. Now, once I go back and search for the same title, I will get it. So it's a simple search option. For example, I go back and search. Now my Gospel John is ready, Holy Bible. So see, very easy from searching something in your databases or file folders or emails. So that is the LGA search. Now you can try it out. There is a demo option. You can go and request for this product and enjoy, trying out. As you try new applications, we learn a lot of new things. So with that, I conclude this session. See you next week.